How to open a zip game file in laptop. Hey everybody, if you want to open a zip game file on your laptop so that you can play it, in this video we'll explain step by step for Windows PCs. So most laptops use Windows, so we can follow this method. So we can start by checking if you have a zip extractor. So we have different zip extractors such as 7-zip, or the other one is WinRAR, so you can look out for it and download it if you do not have it. And it's very free and safe, so you do not need to worry. After that is done, you can find the zip file. For example, only I'm going to use the zip file, but you can look out for your game zip file first. And we can right click on it. And once we right click on it, we can choose one of the options called extract all. So we can look out for this option called extract all from the menu that appears. And we can use this built-in method of Windows, or we can look out for the WinRAR or the 7-zip if you've installed it. So let's say if you want to extract it from your Windows itself, we can look out for this option called extract all and click on it. And you can select a location where you would like to extract it and click on extract, and it will directly extract it. Apart from that, what you can do is you can right click on it and you can look out for the another extractor that you downloaded. If you have downloaded WinRAR, you can use that method and select the option of open with WinRAR or extract files, and just go over and extract it and use it on your particular device. You may just go and pick up a folder to extract the files and extract it. And you can look out for the extracted file. It should be in .exe or usually the game launcher for games. You can just go and look out for the .exe, for example, Discord or let's say Roblox. And what you can do is you can just go and double click on it and look out for the install option. And then it should start installing the game that you're trying to install. You can just go and follow it. If it's a cracked or pirated game zip, be very careful because often they contain viruses. So only open zips from the trusted sources, and you can just go over and do so. And also never run .exe files, unknown ones. They can harm your PC, and Windows Defender may block unknown games. Check carefully. So that's it. Usually this is a method in order to extract the game files on your PC. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.